morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. Please stand up para sa prayer. Lead mo na ang prayer.
You order the Son, the Holy Spirit.
Okay, thank you. Pwede ka nang maupo. Okay. Ngayon, bago tayo magsimula sa ating formal discussion, magkakaroon muna tayo ng short recap about sa napag-usapan natin last topic. Ano pag-usapan natin last topic is all about basic addition. Okay, ngayon, meron ako ditong example ng basic addition which is yung napag-usapan natin last topic. Pwedeng pasagutan. Miss Barakael, basic addition yung last topic natin. Okay, very good. Thank you very much. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, ang last topic natin is about basic addition, which is the addition that combines two or more numbers to get a total or a sum. Ngayon naman, pag-uusapan natin sa araling na ito ay about sa vertical addition. Ulitin ko lang. Meron pa tayo ditong objectives para sa aralin dito. Okay, identify basic addition facts. Solve simple addition problem using real-world example. Next is explain the concept of addition in simple terms. Ulitin ko lang, addition is a mathematical operation that combines two or more numbers to get a total or a sum. It's one of the four basic arithmetic operation. Ang sinisimbol ng addition is the sign plus. Okay. Yan yung sinisimbol ng addition. Ngayon naman, pag-aralan natin ang vertical addition. Magbibigay ako ng sample ng vertical addition. Pag sinabi natin vertical addition, ang format ng example natin or ng problem is nakasulat siya pababa. Okay, para i-solve natin ang vertical addition, mag-start tayo sa identify muna natin ang place value ng mga numbers na nasa problem. Okay, magsimula tayo sa ones, tens, and hundreds. Para masagutan ito, magsisimula tayo dito. I-add natin yung 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. 9. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. dahil nasagutan niyo na ang activity na ito, maaari niyo bang i-present kung ano ang kasagutan sa inyong group? Miss Baraka, bilang representative ng group 1. Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Okay. 7 plus 5 equals to 12. Dinaas lang ni Miss Braca at yung 1, carry 1. Bring down yung 2. 1 plus 1 equals to 2 plus 1. Yung carry 1 equals to 3. Kaya meron tayong 32. Okay, very good. 2 plus 8 equals to 10. Dinaas yung 1, carry 1. Binaba yung 0. 3 plus 2 equals to 5 plus 1. Yung carry 1 equals to 6. Okay, tama. 5